All right, so we picked up this '06 Silverado for $800. The motor does have an issue, so we're gonna find a new one. We actually already did $900 for a fully dressed motor out of a '06. Gosh, what was it? A Yukon. But yeah, it's got pretty cool wheels. Tires are completely bald. It's got some dings on it. I'll show you in a minute, but the interior is actually in really good shape. Again, for $800, I'm pretty thrilled. Got it off a buddy who was just sick of seeing it in the driveway. A couple little things are broken. This is broken, little door handle, so we'll get that fixed. But if I pull the bottom, or at least yesterday when I did, I was able to get it to pop open. But for now, we'll be okay with that. Yeah, no cracks on the dash or anything. Headliner looks pretty good. Yeah, interior is great. It's got a topper on it, which is going to come off and get sold because I'm just not a fan. Maybe I'll keep it for a while, but really no point. Because I'm never going to use it. I'll be taking motors around in the rear all the time. Rear hatch is pretty rusted out. We're going to need a new one. Again, topper's going to go away. So I'm going to try to find a new hatch and either paint it or hopefully find a gold one that's not too rusty. But that rust is pretty nasty. Not the end of the world or a deal breaker, and it works fine, but it's just a little rough. And then we got little rocker guards that I'll do a video on that'll cover up all that rust on the bottom, but it's Minnesota, so what do you expect? And then we'll pound out this little ding right here. It's not the worst, but we should be able to get that out. Getting new headlights for like $100, and we're missing the badge here because he hit a deer, I guess. But I'm gonna probably glue all this back together to hide some of that, get another badge, and call it a day. But for $800, I'm pretty thrilled. And I guess these cat eye Chevys are pretty desirable, so I actually bought it with the intention of flipping it, and I think I'm gonna keep it, because it'll be a good truck for towing some projects around. But yeah, I cleaned it up a bit yesterday, and the paint's actually super nice. That metallic flake is still showing pretty nice for being a 2006. But yeah, this will be the next project, so if you've got a Silverado or you're curious about what the inside of it looks like, because we're going to tear this motor out and do a vehicle on the whole rip out, and then another installation video, and then see what other kind of mods or upgrades, I should say, if I own a truck now. But we'll see.